G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the Blendtec Professional 800 model, and I'm going to make a simple green smoothie recipe. So green smoothies are one of my favorite things to drink. That's the main recipe that most people make in a blender. This model is super quiet. That's why it's our best-selling household model. You're not going to wake up the neighbors in the morning when you're making your morning smoothie. So let's get started. I'm going to start with some green seedless grapes, about 2 cups. So the jar that Blendtec uses here is a Wild Side Plus jar. It's a unique design container that it has a 5th side on it. So that's designed to suck everything down into the blade more easily, so you don't have to actually use a tamper. So when I'm making my smoothie, just to help out a little bit, we always want to make sure we put our softer ingredients at the base and then our harder ingredients on top, like ice. So I'm starting with the grapes. I'm going to use some nice banana. We peel our bananas. Of course, even the monkeys do that. I've got some green apple. Notice I'm using the seeds, the peel, the core. Blendtec is going to pulverize those very easily. You can blend an iPhone in here. That's how powerful this machine is. I'm going to put in a nice handful of spinach. I'm going to add some fresh herbs, really healthy for you. I've got some parsley and some beautiful fresh mint. Smell that. I'm just going to add some ice to keep the smoothie cold. So about 2 cups of ice there. Lock our lid into place. Gonna put it up onto our motor base. Gonna put down our sound cover so it's nice and quiet. This blender operates at the sound level of a normal conversation. I'm just gonna press our on button here. It lights up this beautiful illuminated touch display. Now you can choose from 6 pre-programmed blending cycles. I'm gonna use the smoothie setting. It's gonna blend for about 60 seconds and then it's automatically gonna switch off when it's finished blending. Okay, away we go. That's it. Took 60 seconds. It's automatically switched off. Could hardly hear it. That's what I love about this model. That's why it's our best-selling model. We've made over 1 liter of fresh green smoothie here. Smells so good with that parsley and mint. Look at how smooth that pours out. Silky smooth consistency. Let's try some of that. Cheers. So good, so smooth, such a silky consistency. Tastes amazing. If you've got any questions, please hit us up in the comments below. Until then, happy blending.